Hi, all my YouTube friends out there. My YouTube name is Tyrone Flood 10. If you want to know, and if you like my videos, um, click the up or down button. Subscribe, yes or no. Um, and I hope you like my videos because they're funny. Goodbye. Especially the one where my brother was playing as my friend in the bed, and I was pretending that I was a mime, can't talk. The one where I was Raphael the Ninja Turtle, and the one where my brother was Hawk. So if you want to meet my brother in person, you're gonna meet him in person. So this is how he really looks in person.
Ha! You guys are the best superheroes in the world. Goodbye.
So you're not superheroes for that matter. My brother doesn't know what he's talking about because he just messed the thing up. Well, he didn't technically mess it up, but you're not superheroes. So, bye.
Bye, people.